So you can easily maintain out albums inside of Google Photos. And let's say what you want to do is you want to go ahead and remove photos from albums. If you want to go ahead and do that, you can go around onto a particular photo, let's say for example, and then let's say for example, choose some photos that you want to remove. Let's say I want to remove this one, then simply choose this out right here, just like this. Go around onto the three dot button and then choose move to trash. Once you do that, what happens is that it'll remove the photo out from Google Photos right here and moves it to trash right here. You can quickly click on undo right here to restore it out as well. Well, let me just go ahead and select out multiple images right here, just like this. And then I can go around onto three dot button and then choose move to trash right here. And once you do that, what happens is that they will get deleted out from the album right here. You can quickly undo, but if you close it, then what happens is that they will be deleted for good. And that is how you can go ahead and then remove photos from albums inside of Google Photos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.